I want to show you a really simple 2-light setup for shooting food and product videos that makes your footage absolutely pop. All right, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna use a lemon and I'm gonna stick it on a skewer like this. And I'm gonna use my helping hands to hold me. And I'm gonna show you how the light affects the lemon, what it does to it, and how we can get really, really nice shots with just 2 lights. Boom. Love it. All right, so the 2 lights we're gonna be using for this shoot are a key light, which is essentially set up as my backlight or my hair light, and that all that light is coming on and illuminating the back half of this lemon here. It's really gonna help us separate the lemon from this dark black background. Second light I have is our fill light. And basically this is just filling in everything on this side of the lemon here to let you know it is a lemon, because if we just had the backlight on, yes, you might be able to tell that it's a lemon, but you're not gonna get any fill here. You're not gonna see that it's like a beautiful yellow color. You're just gonna have trouble seeing it. So that's why I really like this 2-light setup, and it works great for moody type shoots when you want a dark black background and you really wanna pull elements out of your scene and really make them pop. It's a high contrast look. Our key light is set to about 75% power, and it's a 120 watt LED. Our fill light is also a 120 watt LED, and that is set to about 30 to 40% power. I don't want it to be too strong because it'll start to illuminate our background here. I want to be really careful about that. So if you keep this one nice and light, keep that one nice and strong, you get a really, really beautiful looking image here, and the black background stays nice and dark. I'm gonna show you now what it looks like with the key light on, our backlight, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like with just the fill light on, and then I'm gonna show you a combination of both of them together, giving us an optimal shot. And that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this short, very simple tutorial on a 2-light setup that I use all of the time for food and product videography. If you guys really enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned, plenty more videos coming.